thank you very much for watching the previous video about the guacamole. I hope you liked it, and thank you very much for your comments. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a breakfast option. So it's a completely vegan toast. And guess what? I just found one of my favorite cheeses after the goat cheese. Of course, this might be my second favorite cheese. Okay, so what is this? It's cream cheese. It's a completely vegan cream cheese made out of soy milk and coconut oil and some nuts. But it's tasty, alright? How we're gonna do this, I have here a piece of toast. It's a protein toast. I have some prunes here, salt, pepper and avocado oil. So at the end I'm just gonna decor with some green leaves. What I'm gonna do first is spread the cream cheese on my toast, alright? You can add as much as you want, it's up to you, alright? I like to add maybe 2 spoons of the cream cheese. And of course I toast my bread for like 3 minutes. I think it was like 3 minutes. I like it quite brown, alright? So just add the cheese and then we're gonna continue with our avocado puree, alright? And we're almost done. Alright, so we just add our avocado puree. So this breakfast recipe should be ready very, very fast. I wouldn't say even 5 minutes. I just finished spreading my cream cheese and my avocado puree, and what I'm gonna do next is add some salt and pepper. That's as well up to your liking, because the cream cheese doesn't really have salt or pepper. What is next is just adding my prunes on top of my avocado. If you don't have prunes, you can add some dry figs or any other dry fruits, maybe goji berries, anything you have in your kitchen. And so on top of it, I'm just gonna add a bit of my avocado oil. And you see, we're almost done. I'll just transfer it to the plate first, okay? So just add a bit of your avocado oil. Basically that's it, just to make it a bit more beautiful, I would say. I'm just adding these microgreens, we call it. If you don't have any microgreens, you don't really have to add any. I just like to add it so it looks beautiful in the picture. But the flavor wouldn't change a lot, and you can use any other thing instead. If you want to use a bit of coriander on top, or if you want to use perhaps a bit of parsley, any of these will be okay. So look, we just finished our avocado toast. Remember, it's vegan, it's lactose free, it's gluten free, it's everything free, but still tasty. And if you're not vegan, maybe you can add a poached egg to it, which will be an amazing twist. So you see, it was very easy to do. It's super fast, it takes less than 5 minutes. And now it's ready. I hope you like it, and see you on my next video.